Monopoly Go Bank Heist Strategy. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's get started. So on Monopoly Go, there is a thing called Bank Heist. Now this is a different game in Monopoly Go that you can play. So whenever you land on the railroad tiles, you will be able to play Bank Heist. In this game, all you have to do is steal money from your opponent. The thing about Bank Heist is the more multiplier you have, the more money you're going to get. So as you can see at the top right corner, I have 5 multipliers on my bank heist. So that means my money is going to be multiplied by 5. Now if I have 10, it's going to be multiplied by 10. So the more multiplier you have, the more money you're going to get in bank heist. Now to play bank heist, all you have to do is land on the railroad. As you can see, there is small heist, large heist, and 25,000 of money. So all you have to do is find the rings. So if you find 3 rings in a row, you're going to get the largest amount. However, if you don't get the rings, you can also get these other things and get small heist or large heist. So as you can see, I have earned the money and the multiplier is going to multiply it. And now tap on collect to collect your money. So that's basically the strategy for playing bank heist. All you have to do is make sure you have tons of multipliers and you select the ring. And that's it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.